Johan, can you bring the big gong there? Yeah.
I think so.
What happened? No, just the wood. Okay, Bestie. Oh, Bestie will have her own. Ni Bestie. Eh, say Grandma will have her. Ito na yung sayo, yung purple na. Oh, that's Grandma now? Oh, wow. Bestie! Ang gulo naman ni Bestie. Oh! Oo nga, sayang. Ano, kasama niya yan dyan eh. Wow. Wow. Dalawa ang mother yung sticker. Nasa isa? Dalawa mong kamay yan. Wala na isang sticker. Okay. Nice. Okay, Bestie. You can. Okay. Whoa. No, you have to put that thing in, not that one. The red one. Bestie is doing it. Oh, see, they're doing it.
I want to eat. Okay, Mom. Okay, I took.
Ang lamot.
Oh, yeah. Are you gonna feed them pizza? Pizza time. Betsy, Bestie, pizza time.
Pizza today.
How come, Bestie?
Good pizza.
We're going to sleep soon, Bestie. They're doing drum now, Bestie.
Dad, you should ask me to put.
We have to wait for Ate Dong, Bestie. You have all toys, Bestie.
Do what we do too?
Oh, I don't know what's in it. Ate Dong said there's a package.
I need wait a minute. I need something. I need football.
Bestie, oh, look at your friends, Bestie. They're best friend.
Best friend na sila ni.
Best friend na sila. Are you done with that? Not yet. Bestie, why? I bought you those. Bestie, what's the name of your bestie? Ili? Eba?